Want customers to find products in one try? Set your search behavior, enable auto suggestions, choose search areas, and use full match for precious results. So go to your WordPress dashboard, then open product filter, then click form style. From the drop down, select search product, scroll down to advanced settings. Here you will find enable or disable auto suggestion. Enable it if you want search suggestion while the customer types. Next option is search in. This is where you decide what search checks. For example, you can search in product title, content, excerpt, SKU, text, categories, and many more. Next option is full match. If you enable full match, only products that fully match the search text will show up. That's great for exact searches like SKU or model numbers. Now click Save Changes. Now test it on your shop page. Reload the shop page. Now let's search for a product and you'll see only that product which match with our search. One more thing, if you have enabled the full match, then auto suggestion will not work. Auto suggestion will only suggest the same product. Or if you disable this option and then click Save Changes, then if you search for any product or type, that will give you auto suggestion. So that's how you control search behavior, suggestions, where search looks, and fully match for exact results.